Hey, here's a quick bonus episode by my friend Jada Alcindor and John Novak, founder of Scanifly. If you are going to be headed to NABCEP conference in Raleigh, North Carolina next week, give me a shout. Give us a heads up. Apply to speak at our SunCast Media Zone. Come over and sit and meet our team. We would love to get to know you in person. Today's mini-sode is really thinking about the value of professional certification, in particular, NABCEP, North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. If you're unfamiliar with NABCEP is, this will give you a little bit of insight, but you should come next week to Raleigh and hang out with us in person. Hope to see you there. Hope you enjoy this mini-sode.
Hi, I'm Jada Alcindor with NABCEP, and we're here at the Power Up Live stage presented by CPS America, and I'm here with John Novak from Scanifly. John?
Thanks so much for having me.
So what is Scanifly for anyone who doesn't know?
Yeah, so Scanifly is a PV system design software. We believe at Scanifly that you need the right tool for the job.
Yes.
And we offer a toolkit. Our platform is a toolkit that allows you to leverage the best tech possible to build the best solar system possible. So from start to finish in Scanifly, you can complete a full system design and assessment all the way up into engineering documents.
And you guys teach trainings on how to do this?
Yep. We have a full suite of trainings via our Scanifly Academy. We offer training there.
That's awesome. What is new with Scanifly in respect to the same thing?
Yeah. So what's new with Scanifly? We have a preliminary design tool that we launched a few months ago that allows you to design systems remotely. So at the beginning of the solar project development workflow, an estimation of the project is needed. And doing that remotely, there's value in doing that. But at Scanifly, we also value being out on site and capturing reality, right? And using the drone, having as much real world context as possible. And what we did was we paired our on-site drone reality capture technology with the preliminary design side of things with our prelim tool. So you can compare and contrast the two to prevent change orders. And we're pairing those with our mobile app, which is really awesome. Allows you to capture the most up-to-date, most accurate data possible in the form of photos and videos and annotations and stickers. We have a checklist. There's an entire suite of features in the mobile app that allow you to capture and acquire the best data possible.
Wow. In respect of requesting data, at NABCEP, we do have a lot of data that says certified individuals typically have better installs than someone who's not certified. What, from your company, because you're a third-party company, what does your data show?
Yeah, great question. So we found that our NABCEP certified installers are capturing all the right data and the correct data using our mobile app and with drone data as well. And it's important that because you have the additional knowledge gained through NABCEP continuing education, that allows you to stay up to code, and you're not, the installers aren't going back to reinstall something and having a change order further downstream. So having the NABCEP knowledge, right, and the additional training offered, it's truly very, very helpful there. So, yeah.
Well, speaking of NABCEP training, we have the NABCEP conference coming up here in March in Raleigh, North Carolina, where Scanifly will be doing a pre-conference session and 2 regular training sessions.
Yeah, that's correct. Yes, super excited about that. My colleagues, Daniel and Tim, will be there. And we're hosting two sessions there.
Yes.
Yeah, so super excited. We've been working with NABCEP since 2018 and 2019 with continuing education, and it's been a lot of fun. We have Scanifly Academy where we're teaching the industry all of these very innovative solutions that we have to offer that helps to prevent change orders, and pairing that with the NABCEP curriculum and continuing education credits there.
So that was my next question. Can you actually get continuing education credits in your academy?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's up to eight credits or so.
Yeah.
You can get the NABCEP credits. So we have the in-person sessions as well as remote sessions as well. So we we have an associate program where we teach you what Part 107 certification is to help you fly the drone and learn more about photogrammetry and
Wow.
3D mapping and a bunch of
the
other
base level things?
base
Wow.
level knowledge. And we have an advanced program that's more tailored to solar site surveying, acquiring the correct electrical data, surveying data, and so on, more specific to solar site survey. And we also have a design program as well, where we teach you once you have all that data, what can you do with it? And that's really where the magic happens, where you have everything in Scanifly, and now you do something really great with it. Create a PV system design directly in Scanifly's.
Oh wow, you can do a whole design layout using Scanifly.
Yep, full design suite.
Wow.
Remote and an on-site solution using drone data, right? Using that 3D mapped environment as a canvas, so you have all this real world context that you need. It's really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for checking in. If you would like to meet with us in Raleigh and you don't have your ticket for NABCEP, email me or the team at suncast.me, and we can hook you up with a discount code. And if you are going to be in Raleigh for NABCEP conference, please email me directly, nico@suncast.me. I'd love to meet with you in person. I'd love to hear your story. Come over and check out the SunCast Media Zone. And by the way, if you're also in town for the UNC Clean Tech Summit 10th anniversary, we'll be over there in Chapel Hill Thursday and Friday. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, you are what you listen to. Thanks again for showing up, Solar Warrior. It's half the battle.